Cats, domesticated for millennia, trace their human connection to ancient Egypt around 4,000 years ago. Their heightened night vision allows them to see in a mere 1/6 of human required light. While purring often signals contentment, cats also purr in pain, anxiety, or fear. Like human fingerprints, cats boast unique nose prints, aiding identification. Highly sensitive whiskers assist them in navigating their environment. Cats are meticulous groomers who dedicate substantial time to self-cleaning. Exhibiting a broad vocal range, cats communicate through purrs, meows, hisses, chatters, and chirps, conveying various meanings and emotions.